How to create your own web browser in Delphi. Okay, I'm going to save my application quickly. Okay, the object that I'm going to add is WebBrowser. It's in the tool palette on the internet. Okay, so it's WebBrowser. I'm going to drag and drop the browser onto my form. Okay, and then I'm going to select my form, and I'm going to go to the property Windows state maximized. Okay, Windows state maximized, so that means that when I run my program, my form will be maximized. Then I'm going to select my web browser component, and I'm going to go to the property align, and I'm going to select the option to align according to the client. Okay, the client in this case will be form 1, so it will be aligned according to form 1. So that means if my form is maximized, my web browser will also be maximized. I'm going to select my form again. I'm going to change the caption to my browser. Okay, my browser, and then I'm going to go to the events on activate. I'm going to say web browser 1 dot navigate round brackets and 2 single quotation marks, and in here I'm gonna add my website that I want to open when this form gets activated. Okay, so the one I want to open is google.com. Okay, so it's gonna go to google.com when the form gets activated. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna run, and it will open Google for you. You can still minimize it, or you can close it. I'm just going to run it one more time. Depending on your internet speed, there's a bit of delay opening the browser. Okay. Another option that you can have is you can maybe add an edit box somewhere. Then the user can enter the website that he wants to visit, and then you just assign this part over here to your edit1.txt, and then it will go to that specific web page for you. But in my case, I want to go to Google as soon as my program runs, and I want it to be maximized full screen.